Good afternoon. George Cavaligos for HFT Bonds. Well, we got a pretty hefty corrective move here today. Last night we saw one of those divergences that I'm always harping about, and if you learn one thing, watch the spreads between the notes and the bonds. Notes went down last night, made a new low by half a tick. The bonds did not. Notes recovered. Bonds and notes both rallied after that in a nice corrective fashion. The rally has hit the most minor of the fib retracements that we use at 23.6%, almost exactly at 28.5 in the 10-year, and the bonds are falling a little bit short. It's at 133 even. I would love to see some more corrective activity towards the upside, a 38% retracement, take you up to 133.13 in the bonds and 126.03 plus on the 10-year. And again, these are levels that we don't have to hit exactly. If we go a tick above or we fall short a tick below, they're areas where you want to be on alert for reversal type behaviors if you're looking for a bullish correction, which is what I am right now. So we've had a little bit of it today. Doesn't seem to be over yet. I think the half point range in the bonds today was one of the smallest we've seen in quite a long time. So we'll see. A lot of interesting things starting to shape up on the daily charts, and I've sent a couple of these out to people today in the chat room. Take a look at some daily charts. Draw your 10-year. I think that's important. The 10-year has a beautiful rising wedge formation, which we know is somewhat negative. Problem is, if you look at the bond daily chart and you connect the lows from, July and August, you have a falling wedge, which is a terminal type of formation that usually in a bear market would resolve itself in a bullish fashion. We'll see. The lower trend line in the bonds is down around 132.11. The support trend line in the notes is getting very close, and I think we're very close to seeing some type of resolution there. The trend line in the notes is at 125.16 plus today. It's going up about a tick a day. The trend line, the lower support trend line in the bonds is down at like 130, 122. Draw the trend line yourself. Don't take that level as gospel because I'm trying to pull it out of this old brain and it doesn't always work that well these days. We're going to see some resolution here fairly soon, I hope. That's all I can say. A little bit more corrective action first. Look to see if there's any kind of bearish reversal activity up towards these fib retracements of the sell-off. And that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning in the morning email.